Imagine if you could attract anything you truly want: success, love, health, abundance. What if the secret isn't magic, but neuroscience, psychology, and your daily habits? Today, I'm breaking down how to rewire your brain so you become a magnet for your desires. Let's get real. Attraction isn't mystical, it's mental. According to neuroscience, our brains are built to adapt. This is called neuroplasticity. Your brain reshapes itself every time you repeat a thought, feeling, or action. Think about it. Visualizing your goals literally primes your brain as if you're already living them. That's why elite athletes mentally rehearse before stepping onto the field. And here's the kicker. Philosophy agrees. The law of attraction isn't about wishful thinking, it's about how your mindset influences your behavior and outcomes. Positive expectations lead to positive actions, which create real results. So, science and philosophy both say, your mind shapes your world not by magic but by rewiring the circuits in your brain. But how do you actually do this? Let's dive into the psychology of change. First, use implementation intentions. Think of them as if-then plans. For example, if I feel anxious, then I'll pause and breathe deeply. These plans automate your actions, making them stick. Then, adopt a growth mindset. Believe your abilities can grow and you'll persist longer and bounce back faster. Next, remember expectancy value theory. You'll chase goals you value and believe you can achieve. The more you connect your goals to what matters to you, and the more you believe in your ability, the more likely you are to see them through. Let's get practical with 4 neuroscience-backed tools. First up, visualization. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day picturing your future self. See it, feel it, live it. This strengthens the neural pathways for success. Next, affirmations paired with cognitive behavioral techniques. Say things like, I am capable, and when negative thoughts pop up, challenge and reframe them. That's how you reshape your synapses. Third, mindfulness meditation. Just 5 minutes a day can literally grow the areas of your brain tied to focus and emotional control. And don't forget exercise. Aerobic movement actually sparks the birth of new neurons and boosts motivation. Plus, optimize your environment. Limit tech distractions, fill your space with reminders of your goals, and surround yourself with growth-minded people. Here's a blueprint for your day. In the morning, spend 5 minutes visualizing, say 2 or 3 affirmations out loud, and jot down 1 or 2 if-then plans. For example, if I get distracted, then I'll set a 2-minute timer to refocus. Around midday, take 5 minutes for mindfulness and celebrate 1 small win. In the evening, journal 3 wins and 3 things you're grateful for, and reframe any negative thoughts. Weekly, carve out 30 minutes for a workout, cut down on phone time, and dedicate a space for creative work. At this point, you might be wondering about the deeper meaning. Philosophers from the Stoics to modern thinkers emphasize eudaimonia. True flourishing comes from aligning what you believe, what you value, and what you do. Science now backs this up. A positive mindset is foundational, but balance it with realism. Don't fall into toxic positivity. Acknowledge the challenges you face, then commit to steady, consistent effort. That's what real grounded manifestation looks like. So, here's your call to action. Pick one technique. Maybe it's visualization, affirmations, or mindful breathing. Commit to it for 21 days and track your small wins. Transformation isn't magic, it's science and it's in your hands. Stay curious, stay consistent, and attract what you want by rewiring your brain. Let's rewire. Let's attract. Subscribe, like, and share your journey in the comments. See you next time.